Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my first lesson of D2 chapter number 12, exercise 12C, that is about the volume and surface area of sphere. Before this we have discussed two solids, that is the pyramid and the cone. If you find any difficulty in understanding the concept of pyramid or cone and what are the formulas for the volumes and total surface areas of pyramid and cone, you have to watch the previous lessons, for which you can go to the channel's library where the different playlists are available, so that you can understand those basic concepts well, because every concept of maths is integrated with the previous concept, and in order to understand the new concept it is really important to understand the previous links. So I hope those who are catching us late or they have missed the previous lesson, they will be watching those lessons properly. Let's move to today's class. So before moving to the exercise, it's really important to understand that what is sphere. In geometry, a sphere is a solid that is absolutely round in shape, defined in three-dimensional space. And if we talk mathematically, a sphere is defined as a set of points that is at equal distance from the common point in three-dimensional space. The constant distance is called the radius of the sphere, and the common point is called the center of sphere, and height of sphere will be equal to the diameter of sphere. Compare this object with a circle in two dimension. Like if we recall the concept of circle, this fixed point in the circle was called the center of circle, and distance from the center to the outer boundary or the circumference of the circle is the radius, and the line that was passing through the center of circle, and it has two endpoints on the circumference of circle, that was the diameter. These are the points which are common in circle and sphere, but keeping in mind that sphere is not a circle because sphere is a solid object. Now let's talk about some facts about sphere. A sphere has no edges, no vertices, and it has only the curved surface. Formula for the volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. And when we talk about hemisphere, hemi means the half sphere. Volume, formula for the volume is 2 by 3 pi r cube. And total surface area of full sphere, if the sphere is full, then the surface area formula will be 4 pi r square. And then curved surface area of hemisphere, this is the curved surface area of hemisphere, that is 2 pi r square. But when the question is asking for the total surface area of hemisphere, then we can see that hemisphere is containing two surfaces. One is the curved surface and one is the flat surface which is at the bottom of this hemisphere. So the total surface area of hemisphere will be equal to curved surface area plus base area, and that will be equal to 2 pi r square plus pi r square, and which is equal to 3 pi r square. I hope you are clear about that what is sphere, what is hemisphere, what are the formulas for the volume and surface area of sphere and hemisphere, and the comparison between the circle and sphere. The common points between the circle and sphere are the radius, center, and the diameter. But sphere is not a circle because sphere is a three-dimensional solid object. The balls around you, the tennis balls around you, and all round objects, but they have to be solid, they are spheres. I hope you are clear about today's class. For the understanding of the exercise, you must have to have the good grasp on the formulas of the volume of sphere and hemisphere and surface areas. I hope you are clear about these all points. Please watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.